In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all trash in Notion at once. This is a quick but very useful cleanup task that can help keep your workspace organized and clutter-free. If you're new to Notion and haven't created an account yet, you can easily sign up from the homepage. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all of your projects and workspaces right away. From here, everything we need can be found directly inside the Notion interface. Now, direct your attention to the navigation panel on the left side of the screen. This is where Notion organizes your pages, settings, and tools. You may need to scroll down a little, but at the very bottom of this panel, you'll find the trash section. This is where all deleted items are stored before they are permanently removed. Go ahead and click on Trash to open it. Once it's open, you'll see all the pages and items you've previously deleted. Everything is displayed here so you can review it carefully. This is helpful in case you want to double-check and make sure there's nothing important you still need. Once items are permanently deleted from here, they cannot be recovered. If you're sure you want to remove everything, let's continue. On the right-hand side of the trash window, you'll notice a trash icon. This icon is essential for clearing everything at once. Click on that trash icon to activate the delete function. This step prepares Notion to permanently remove all items currently stored in the trash. After clicking the trash icon, Notion will prompt you with a confirmation option. This is an important safety step to prevent accidental deletion. Click on Delete from Trash to confirm your decision. Once you do this, all items in the trash will be permanently deleted from your Notion account. Keep in mind that this action cannot be undone. Once the trash is cleared, those items are gone for good. Make sure you're fully ready to delete everything before confirming. And that's it. With just a few simple clicks, you've successfully cleared your Notion trash and cleaned up your workspace. Maintaining a tidy digital environment can help improve focus, reduce distractions, and make managing your projects much easier. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. If you need more guidance, you can always check Notion's official support resources for additional details. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.